Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad to see you here today. We're going to do a get ready with me. That's right. Nothing on my face but skin. Crazy talk, I know. I do a lot of eyeshadow looks, but I figured it's been a while since we did a get ready with me, like many months, maybe since definitely since last year. And I'm going to start out with some primer. And this is the number 7 Air Brush Away Primer. And it's got a little iridescent glow to it. It is a great primer. I love number 7 products. I use the number 7 Radiant Result wipes constantly. They're that's my favorite face wipe, period, in the history of the world. I've tried many, but they all pale in comparison to the number 7. I'm not sponsored by number 7. Don't worry. It's all just 100% my opinion and what I like. There's a cat around here somewhere. But anyway, so we put the primer on. That's a good thing. I have a big makeup box full of my basics, and after that the next thing we do is put some concealer on, and this is the Ultra Creamy Tarte Shape Tape, which I am loving. I got it on sale during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty for like cheap. Ooh, there's a lot on this wand. And I don't usually use eye primer. Oh, I got a little splotch over there. A little splotch over here. Oh, dark spot there. Here's a spot, there's a spot. Everywhere a spot. Old Rhonda had lots of spots. E-I-E-I-O. And on this face. No, I'm not going to keep going with that song. So I'm going to take this concealer brush and blend this out, and then we are concealed. I hope you don't mind the stop motion animation, so to speak, that we're doing. And under my foundation, I love to put this, and this is the Illuminating Veil from Danessa Myricks, and this gives me a great glow, and it is in Serenity. And I just take a little bit. That's a lot, but I'm just going to take it and put it on my cheeks and up my highlight area. And I've hardly worn highlighter since I started putting this on underneath my makeup, and it just gives me a soft glow. A little on the forehead, a little on the nose, Cupid's bow, chin. Well, what do you know, I've used it all. Then you go, wow, that looks really shiny, but wait till I put foundation on and it won't seem shiny at all. Let's get one of these wipes. And I like to choose like a lighter covered foundation. So I'm going to use the Protect and Perfect number 7 Advanced All-in-One Foundation from number 7. Once again, not sponsored. And I use Cool Ivory, and this is about $15. You can get it at Walgreens, you can get it at Target. I just put a little dollop there. And the great thing about a squeeze tube is you can get almost all of it out. So what I'm going to do is stick my finger in, gonk, a gonk, a gonk, 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 a gonk, a gonk, a gonk. A gonk, gonk, gonk. Well, up here on the eyelids because I want them to blend all in and be seamless. Take this foundation brush. I've used it before. I clean it regularly, but I haven't cleaned it since I used it last time. And voila, foundation is done. Now you wonder, what's next? Well, I like to set with a little bit of powder, and this is a Jeffree Star setting powder in Fair. I just take a fluffy brush, bam, super fluffy, Scott Barnes number 67. Get a little powder. I just set the face. Face of base. Face is full of base. And that means I'm done with my little train case. Next up, woo woo, eyebrows. And I will start this and you'll see the finished product in just a couple seconds. And there we have eyebrows. Woo woo. I told you the eyebrow chain would be pretty quick. I just lost it on my desk, but that's okay. Now it's time for some bronzer, and this is my favorite, the Cover FX, and it's in Sun Kissed Bronze. I take this lovely Scott Barnes brush number 65, and I go between the shiny part and the matte part, and then I just put it right on my face. And I go a little bit up here, warm up the forehead, a little under the chin. And that does need a little blending out. Very nice indeed. And now some blush. And I love this blush. This is the Pixie in Peach Parfait. It does not look peach. It looks like the most natural pink, and it is. And see, the foundation covered the majority of it, but there's still a little glow left. And this is another Scott Barnes brush, and this is the number 64. I love Scott Barnes brushes. They were my first fancy brushes I ever bought. Oh, look, a little glow. I'm gonna buff that out a little with my deal fiber brush. It just melts everything right in. Just takes the edge off of everything. And then now we're ready for eyes. And we're gonna use a Milani Gilded Jewel palette today. And it is gorgeous. I did not swatch it. I'm just gonna plain old use it and see how it goes. I'm gonna start with this beautiful taupey brown color called Solitaire. And put that in my crease. Oh, we've got a friend. And from knowing it's on the back of my chair, it's Louie. We haven't had King Louie in a video in a minute. So we've got that part done. I'm wearing this beautiful teal tie-dye. We love tie-dye here. And I'm going to go in to this turquoise, which is called Family Jewels. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful, shiny, kind of lemony lime color called Tiara. I'll put it on my lid. And that looks so pretty already. I think I'm going to go into the crease with a little kick up in the pan into the crease, or actually like in the outside corner, with this navy. Shows up really nicely on the brush. That is very beautiful. I'm really loving that. And I'm gonna go under the brow with smoked topaz, I think, a little to blend. I think it's ready for liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And now we have lashes done and liner on. Now a pretty little lip. I'm thinking something soft and nude. Number 65. Seductress. And this is my look for today. I want to thank you guys for being with me with this Get Ready With Me. We're super glad that you're here. We used the Gilded Jewel palette from Milani. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.